Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a channel manager in your YouTube studio. So if you want to outsource your YouTube channel task, you can easily do that. And to add a channel manager, what I recommend, I'm going to just simply share with you a best practice. I recommend that if you're running a business and you're running a YouTube channel and you want to add channel manager, create an account or email account, create a new Gmail account or whatever, and you want to manage that account and give that to that channel manager. This is going to be super easy for you to manage, especially if you want to have full control over the email access, the rights, etc. And of course, if at some point you want to basically give that channel manager access to another channel, or you want to hire a different channel manager at a different point in time, you have full control over that email account. And of course, there's a lot more of security that goes into it, where I believe that it's the best way how to manage your channel management, right? So you want to create a new user account or a new Google account or whichever, and you want to add that in. So how do you add a channel manager afterwards? So go ahead and click on settings on the left hand side in your YouTube studio, and you want to go ahead and click on permission. On the permission, click on invite on the upper right, and you want to add that email address. Now, depending on the level of management that you want to give, you want to go ahead and select the access. So if you want to give full channel manager, just simply click on manager right here. I recommend that you read each of the descriptions here for each access right to ensure that you're making the right choice. Right, so channel manager, they can view everything, they can manage permission, go live, create, edit, and also delete content. Now, for me personally, I rather to choose something like editor or editor limit. Right, this is going to give you more control and more privacy as well over your account, and so this is going to allow you to make the right choice. Go ahead and choose whichever access is right for you. If you want to have some privacy and you want to have some security, then you can choose, for example, editor limited. They can have the same permission as an editor, but they can't see revenue data, and of course they can't delete. Right now, if it's somebody that you also trust, you can basically choose whichever, but I believe these are the two. If not, this is the best one that you can choose for your account, but it's up to you guys. Choose whichever one that you want, and you'll be able to give that person permission. But as I said, if you want to add a channel manager and you want to give full access, just simply go ahead and choose manager right here. Enter you add the correct email address, click on done. They will receive an email with the invitation. They click on accept, or you can access that email as well and accept that management permission right there, because guess what, you would have created the email address and the account for that access right there. So you can create it, you can approve it, you can try it for yourself, see if it looks like what you expect and what you want to give them rights to, and if you don't, you can always change it. That's why I recommend the best practice is for you to create an account and manage that account and add it into your channel, and then you can basically see it for yourself and manage it how you want and so forth. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.